All right, so we are on the last video of this chapter, chapter 2. How you guys doing? Woohoo! I'm so excited. Yeah. Right, hang in there then. I know there's a lot of things to learn, but well, this is organic chemistry. That's what we expect, right? Okay. So from the previous several videos, so we talk about resonance structure, how to draw it, the pattern and stuff, right? Now, let's see if you can catch any of this arrow that's inappropriate. It's wrong. Okay. Look at the first arrow right here. Is it correct arrow or not? You can say that no, you can't do that because if you draw this arrow, which means the two electrons here will move and form double bond right here, right? So bond to bond right here, and they're gonna make the carbon in the middle of the octet. You can't draw that. All right. All right. Next one. What's wrong with this arrow? Well, you break a sigma bond. This is not a resonance structure. You're making a reaction. When you do a reaction, you break a sigma bond. Resonance structure doesn't break a sigma bond. They are the same compound. Okay, so nope, not that. You can't draw that. All right, next one. This one should be easy. So draw this arrow. This carbon right here gonna be over octet. Can't draw that either. Down here, next one. What do you think about this arrow? Good or bad arrow? Good. This is a good arrow. The double bond between two atoms with different electronegativity, and oxygen beat carbon, pull electron to itself. You are allowed to draw that arrow. Okay, so that's good. All right. Again, this is not the real structure. This is just a resonance structure, right? And the real compound will look more like this guy. This is more stable resonance structures. Okay. This one, draw the two electrons up here. Oh, that carbon right there. You can see that over octet. Can do that. Down here, what we got? We got not sigma bond, pi electrons up to that carbon. Well, it looks fine. None of them is over octet, but you can't do this just like in the case of CO bond right here. Carbon and carbon have the same electronegativity, which means these two pi electrons are shared equally between the two carbons. You can't draw up to one carbon like that. That doesn't make any sense. Not like this in the case of C and O. Of course, O beat carbon, right? Oxygen beat carbon. You can draw the electrons up to oxygen like that, right? So this one you can't. They have the same electronegativity. All right, down here, this is allylic lone pair next to double bond, right? Yep, you're good. You can draw that. You can draw another one to go here, and then this guy come here. You get negative charge right here. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay, all right. So, a fun segment for my podcast. Autocorrect one more time. Let's see what we got going on here. The first person said, Dad and I fondled ourselves for the first time last night. We didn't get good results. Nothing came up. What mom and dad doing? Laugh my ass off, mom. I don't know what you try to write, but that's hilarious. Autocorrect. We Googled ourselves, no results. Oh man, that hurts. Okay, all right. So we're done with chapter 2. All right. Don't forget to take the quiz for chapter 1 and chapter 2. It will be due by this coming Sunday night. Okay. And there are 5 class activities, I think, so far in chapter 1 and chapter 2 combined. Don't forget that. Complete it and then upload it on Blackboard. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next chapter.